Okay, I've just adjusted and lubricated the rear chain, which I haven't done on camera. I suppose it's fairly straightforward. This is an 850 Mark III, so we've got the rear disc rather than the drum, so it's slightly different. First thing to note is that we have a two-piece rear wheel spindle. So you loosen it on this side, but then you also have to loosen it on this side. Because it's two-piece, it doesn't go right the way across, so you have to loosen it on both sides. Then, because it's a disc, there's no brake stay. You know, on a drum brake there'll be a brake stay somewhere. You need to loosen that so the wheel will slide backwards and forwards. But this, because it's disc, we don't have a brake stay, so that's fine. We can then loosen the adjusters, the lock nut, and then slide the wheel backwards and forwards as necessary. And we do have these notches as a guideline, which I've marked white, but they are just a guideline. So then what I do is I make sure that the front wheel is absolutely dead ahead, and then I look either side along the bottom of the tyre to the front wheel to make sure it's totally aligned. And then get some tension on the chain, not too much tension on the chain. Because of course the back wheel's off the ground. So you should really adjust the chain when you're sitting on the bike. Now, how you're supposed to adjust the chain while sitting on the bike, I don't know, but that's what you're supposed to do. So just be careful you don't over tension it with the back wheel off the ground. Then when it's all straight, all aligned, all adjusted, do the adjusters, the lock nuts back up, and then tighten up both sides of the wheel spindle, and we're kind of just about done. Then I've put the where have I put it? Chain lube. I've got my chain lube, okay, and given the rear chain a good spray. And what I normally do is I've probably lost it now, but I find the chain link, because I have a chain link on mine, and I always start from the chain link so that then I can finish with the chain link, which is now gone somewhere, but that's what I do. And then always have lots of protection, because that chain lube is horrible. I mean, it's great stuff, it's really sticky, that's what it's supposed to do, because it sticks to the chain, you know, it doesn't just fling off, that's what it's supposed to do. There's the chain link, but because of that, you know, if you get it on anything, God, it's horrible to get off. It's horrible. It's really sticky, greasy stuff, sticky. So I always give good protection for that. Okay, yeah, I can feel I've got some on the rim. Yeah. I might give the rim another wipe with some white spirit, because I've got some. You know, that'll just attract dirt straight away. Okay, that's good. Yeah, and everything's tightened up. Just check the wheel alignment again after you tighten everything up. Check the chain tension after you've tightened everything up, because it can change. Okay, that's all done.